Let's see how to change and update the hourly rate charged in Upwork site. So let's begin the video process. First thing, need to sign into Upwork site. Next, we have to go to Upwork settings page by clicking this tab. In the left side, we have this, My Profile tab. We can click this tab and enter Upwork profile page. Here, you can see the hourly rate charged is $10, which we can change with this edit icon. In the hourly rate window, we can change and update the hourly rate. This new hourly rate will be the rate on my Upwork once I update the changes. And done, you can see $15 hourly rate has been updates. And we have come to end of this video, hoping it will be of help to you. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon, to constantly getting updates whenever we upload new content.